Here is how to get TikTok likes instantly in 2026. Let's begin first. Head over to Naizop.com using the link in the description below. Once you are there, just click Login and use your Google account to create an account or log in immediately. Next, you need to add balance. Go to the deposit section. You can top up using your card, crypto, and several other options. It is fast and secure. Now go to New Order. Click the search bar and type TikTok likes. Then choose the first option. It only costs about $2.30 per 1,000, which is a great way to buy TikTok likes cheaply with high speed. From here, just add your TikTok post link in the link section. For this video, we are going to test this with only 25 likes. Type that amount in, tap, order now, and that is it. Here's how it went and the likes got in. I waited a little bit and refreshed the notification tab, and you can see them starting to pour in already. It went from barely anything to our target almost instantly. Just a quick warning, because doing this is technically against TikTok's terms of service, you need to be smart about it and don't overdo it on a main account. Go to Naizop using the link in the description below if you want to try this out. It is the most reliable way to get that initial momentum on your videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your socials in 2026.